When you are looking for a mutton recipe which is quick, simple and easy and most importantly delicious, so I must say you are at the right place. I am making mutton masala today, so let's begin it. Slice 3 medium sized onion and deep fry it and turn it into a golden brown color, which we call it birista. While the onion is getting done, meanwhile we can marinate the mutton. Take 1 cup of yogurt, add 3 to 4 green cardamom and blend it. I have taken around 1 kg of mutton. Add this blended yogurt into a mutton and leave it for a few minutes. Here the onion is also done. Remove it, separate it and allow it to cool. Now in a pressure cooker, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee. You could make this recipe in a normal vessel as well. Along with ghee, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heats up, then add some whole spices like cinnamon stick, clove, black pepper, green cardamom, etc. Now add 1 medium sized chopped onion. Saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes so that the raw smell of onion goes away. Then add marinated mutton. When you will start sauteing it, same time you will realize that this recipe is going to turn it out amazingly awesome. You would feel that aroma. After stirring it for 2 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 to 4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon jeera powder, 1 and a half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 3 teaspoon red chili powder. The turmeric will not go in this recipe. Add salt as per your taste. Then add few coriander leaves and saute it well. Cover it and cook on a low to medium flame. Allow it to cook till all the raw smell goes away. Now the onion which is resting here, crush it with the help of your hand. Then add this crushed onion into the mutton. Stir it well. Add water as per needed or add 2 to 3 cups of water. Always keep this thing in your mind that the cooking time of mutton depend on its texture. I am adding 2 cups of water. Usually it takes 20 to 25 minutes to cook, but it depends on its texture, how much we are cooking to it and on how much heat. After adding water, close its lid and allow it to cook for 20 to 25 minutes. It's been 25 minutes. Now open it. The mutton masala is perfectly cooked. This is done and ready. Serve with the coriander and enjoy this with pulka, naan, roti, rice, whatever the choice is yours. Time to serve. This is one of the quickest way to make mutton masala. On that note, you have to like, comment and stay connected.